Hey, ladies, listen. I just want to know. I want to ask a question, ladies, to all the ladies. Ladies, listen. Do you like a man when y'all having sex? Do you like him to like be quiet or make a lot of noise? Like, I think I be doing too much, bitch. No, that's what I think. I feel like at this point in my life, I really feel like I be doing too much, bitch. I be trying to be respectfully. I be trying, but I just like, ladies, like, if the pussy's good, I have to tell you the pussy good. And it's just certain things I want to know. Like, I'm going to lean into you and I'm going to ask you, is that dick enough? Is that dick enough? I got to ask you that. Just for my own morality, I got to ask you that. I got to ask you, is that dick enough? Cause I just like to hear you tell me that dick is enough. That's just me. So, and when that nut come, babe, like I'm like, bitch, you got neighbors? Yeah. A bitch gonna know you in the being naughty, cause I just can't be quiet. Everything about sex, I just want to talk about it. I tell her, I don't, kiss me, man. Kiss me. Suck on my chest, bitch. Suck on my chest. Oh, babe. Oh, babe. Ladies, if you don't like a man to be too loud with sex, just tell me, cause I don't know. I'm fucked up.